Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Day Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic is Chapter 5 C.B.Q-1. And our today's lesson number 33 and HW number 31. In this class, we will solve one CBQ number 1. We have already got few class related to this topic. This is repeated class for you. Okay, at first I am reading the question and you are told to hear the question carefully. The price of 2 cows and 3 goats together is 45,080 taka. One goat cost 4,560 taka. A number question is, what is the price of 3 goats? B number question, what is the price of 1 cow? And C number question, what is the price of 7 goats and 3 cows? Now, dear the students, we will solve question A. What is the price of 3 goats? Here, price of 1 goat already given, and this is 4,560, and price of 3 goats will be 3 times of 4,560. That means we have to multiply 4,560 by 3. Then we can easily get the price of 3 goats. Okay. Price of 1 goat is 4,560 taka. Therefore, price of 3 goats is 4,560 multiplication 3 taka. Now, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. From 18 we will write 8 carrying 1, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 equal to 16. From 16 we will write 6 carrying 1, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 equal to 13. That means 13,680 taka. And answer will be 13,680 taka. Answer 30,680 taka. Okay, now dear the students, we will solve B number question. Here the question is, what is the price of 1 cow? What is the price of 1 cow? You are watching that the price of 2 cows and 3 goats given in the question, and we have got price of 3 goats from A. So, if we subtract price of 3 goats from the price of 2 cows and 3 goats, then we can easily get the price of 2 cows. From A, we got price of 3 goats is 13,680 taka. And in the question it is given that price of 2 cows and 3 goats is 45,800. Given that price of 3 goats and 2 cows is 45,080 টাকা। Now price of 2 cows and 3 goats. 2 cows and 3 goats is 45,080 টাকা, and price of 3 goats, price of 3 goats is 13,680, 13,680 টাকা. If we subtract, then we will get price of 2 cows. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, 0 minus 6 not possible, so we have to consider it as 10. Now 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Since we had considered it as 10, now we have to consider this number as 4. Now 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, price of 2 cows is 31,400 টাকা. Now we have to find out price of 1 cow. Therefore, price of 1 cow is, if we divide this by 2, then we can get 31400 divided by 2 টাকা. Three one 400. Okay. In 3 we can get 1, we can give 1 times, then 2 ones are 2. If we subtract, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We have to take 1 now. In 11 we can give 5 times, 5 2s are 10. If we subtract, then it will be 1. Now we have to take 4. Then in 14 we can give 7 times, 7 2s are 14. If we subtract, then it will be 0. Now we have to take 0. Now in 0 we can give 0 times, 2 zeros are 0. If we take subtract, then it will be 0. Then we have to take again 0, and in 0 we can give 0 times. That means price of 1 cow will be 15,700 টাকা. 15,700 টাকা. Answer 15,700 টাকা. We have completed our B number question. Now dear the students, we have to solve C number question. What is the price of 7 goats and 3 cows? In the question, price of 1 goat given. From this information we can find out price of 7 goats. And in B, we have got price of 1 cow. From this information we can find out price of 3 cows. Then if we add price of 7 goats and price of 3 cows, then we can easily find out total price of 7 goats and 3 cows. Given that price of 1 goat is 4,560 taka. Therefore, price of 7 goats is, we have to multiply 4,560 by 7. Now 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42, from 42 we will write 2 carrying 4, 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 4 is equal to 39, from 39 we will write 9 carrying 3, 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. That means price of 7 goats is 31,920 taka. Now we have to find out price of 3 cow. In B we have find out price of 1 cow, and this is 15,700 taka. Now we can write from B, we can write price of 1 cow is, price of 1 cow is 15,700 taka. Therefore, price of 3 cows is 15,700 multiplication 3. Taka. If we multiply, then 3 zeros are 0, again 3 zeros are 0, 3 sevens are 21, from 21 we will write 1 carrying 2, 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, from 17 we will write 7 carrying 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That means price of 3 cows is 47,100 taka. We are watching that price of 7 goats is 31,920 taka and price of 3 cows is 47,100 taka. If we add these two figures, then we can easily get the price of 7 goats and 3 cows. Therefore, the total price of 7 goats and 3 cows is equal to 7 goods price is 31,920. 31,920 plus 3 cows price is 47,100. 47,100 taka. Now 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 2 plus 0 is equal to also 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. From 10 we will write 0 carrying 1. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the total price of 7 goats and 3 cows is 79,020 taka and answer 79,020 taka. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Dear students, today's CW is your SW also. I hope you will do your SW properly because you know that you will get your diary marks, CT marks and SB mark based on your SW. So do SW carefully. Stay at home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.